Hi, I'm Taylor with Pacific Shore Stones, Oklahoma City. Today we're going to talk about design trends to come in 2022.
Going into 2022, professionals say that design is going to be more demanded by millennials and less by baby boomers. Design trends take inspiration from nature, so there will be a popularity of natural organic designs, warmer hues and more wood tones, less shine, and more matte fixtures. Millennials are the leading reason for the increase in organic, natural, and contemporary designs. In the kitchen, they are looking for easy-to-clean surfaces and outdoor living areas. In the bathroom, they want a larger shower and more room for storage. Due to spending so much time at home over the last few years, homeowners are realizing the need for an outdoor space as an extension of their kitchen. Materials such as soapstone or a leathered granite are the perfect choice for these outdoor concepts. Also, large islands are desired indoors because of the need for a multifunctional space where it can be used for food prep, but also as a dining table or space to do homework. A strong demand for quartz will continue into the new year, but larger format tiles or slabs will be desirable as well, and this is because there is less grout to maintain. Our exclusive line of Pacshore tech is made up of jumbo porcelain slabs, which result in limited grout space and maintenance. Easy to clean surfaces that are sanitary and non-porous are also at the top of the list when it comes to design elements that millennials want, and this can be achieved using our Pacshore tech and Pacshore quartz surfaces. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to any Pacific Shore Stones locations. We have showrooms in California, Nevada, Texas, Mississippi, Oklahoma, and Arkansas, or you can visit our website and view our live inventory at www.pacificshorestones.com.